Hey there, it's Jess and Cliff here to help you keep your GE gas range crispy clean. From splatters to spills, we've seen it all and know the best tips and tricks to clean it up. Let's dive into keeping that range looking brand new. Ever notice how the touchpad becomes a magnet for food residue? Happens to the best of us. To clean, lock those controls first. A damp cloth, warm soapy water, and a bit of elbow grease will do the trick. Rinse, then polish with a soft cloth. What a good helper! Regular cleaning can help keep the buildup at bay. Knobs looking a bit grimy? Pop them in the dishwasher or give them a good hand wash. Just ensure they're dry inside before putting them back. For the exterior, warm soapy water is your best friend. Don't worry, you're not getting replaced, buddy. Got a stainless model? Use a stainless steel cleaner. And for those stubborn spots, Barkeeper's Friend Soft Cleaner is a lifesaver. Just remember, for stainless, always wipe in the direction of the grain. Hidden crumbs under the storage drawer? We've all been there. To tackle this sneaky spot, pull the drawer out, lift the front, and voila. And on the rare occasion you need to remove the oven door, our use and care manual has got you covered. Now, the gas cooktop. Rule number 1, let it cool down. Before cleaning, ensure all controls are off. When cleaning the burner caps and heads, hot soapy water is your go-to. And for those stubborn stains, a plastic bristle brush is your hero. Before replacing, ensure they're dry and in their correct spots. And be gentle with those electrodes, they're sensitive. Grates and griddles, they need love too. For the reversible cast iron griddle, avoid harsh detergents. Rinse with hot water, dry thoroughly, and give it a light coat of cooking oil. And if you have an oven probe, remember not to submerge it in water. Wondering when to steam clean versus self-clean? We've got your back. For minor spills, steam clean is your go-to. Just pour a cup of water, press steam clean, and in 30 minutes, you'll be wiping away the grime. For a deeper clean, the self-clean cycle is your hero. You can adjust between 3 to 5 hours, but the default is 5 hours. For gas models, you can even put the grates in the oven cavity, but remove the rubber grommets first. And a pro tip from us, crack a window for some fresh air during the cycle. Our ovens are tested for over 25 self-clean cycles, so you're in good hands. And there you have it. With these tips, your gas range will be sparkling in no time. Remember, Cliff and I are always here to help you navigate the world of appliances.